And hey, hi, it's Deborah E. Johnson. I am back talking about another book of the Bible. And today I am talking about the book of Haggai. So Haggai has only 2 chapters in it, and Haggai is in the minor prophet section. And he is actually talking to the people of Judah. Judah has now come back from their exile. Remember, I kept talking about they got exiled. And then so finally they get to building the temple, but they get discouraged. Don't get so comfortable and so enthused in building your own houses and making yourselves comfortable back because you're now back in Jerusalem. Make sure you build the house of the Lord. You make money, but it goes in holes in your pockets. You try to grow food, but you don't have enough of it. You try to have warm clothes, but your clothes don't keep you warm. And Haggai then goes on to challenge them and say, who of you actually remember the first temple, Solomon's temple? And so there were the old men that had come back that actually did remember Solomon's temple. So what they were building at this current age, they weren't that excited about. There's only 2 chapters, so by the time you get finished hearing Haggai giving them the warning, encouraging them to build God's house, build this second temple, then we see that Haggai actually gives a word of encouragement to Zerubbabel. He says that, you know what, all these things might happen, and you might see bad things come along, but do not worry. Because God loves you, God is going to make you like a signet ring. He's going to give you honor. He's going to give you encouragement, and you will be remembered. And it's even, if you read further along, scholars even tell you that Zerubbabel is mentioned in the New Testament. What do I see as the goodness of God in the book of Haggai? I believe to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Thank you so much for all of you who have been supporting me throughout the almost 19, 20 months that I've been doing this on YouTube. Thank you so much. And I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.